Most expensive phones in the world. Number 10. Virtu's signature Cobra, $310,000. The first most expensive phone on our list is the Virtu's signature Cobra. Virtu has a reputation for creating some of the best luxury phones in the world, and their signature Cobra edition is no exception. The signature Cobra is part of an 8-phone limited series, each phone costing $310,000. It was designed by French jewelry company Boucheron Virtu and assembled by hand in the United Kingdom. As well as the phone itself being gold-plated, the most striking and decorative feature, the Cobra, which wraps itself around a handset, is made of solid gold and contains 439 rubies and 2 emeralds. As only 8 have ever been known to be created, getting your hands on one could be a bit of a nightmare, even if you're well connected. Number 9. Goldvish Revolution, $488,150. Next on the list is this impressive $488,150 phone from Goldvish, a popular Swedish brand. The Revolution is part of a 32-unit series and is one of the most expensive phones to have ever been created. The phone's shape is noticeably different from most, which adds to its exclusivity quite a bit. On top of that, it's made from white and pink gold, fine leather, diamonds, and has a sapphire glass display case. If that wasn't enough, the phone also has a detachable analog watch by Frederick Juvenot. If you've got close to $500,000 to spend, then why not treat yourself? Number 8. Gresso Luxor Las Vegas Jackpot, $1 million. In 8th place, we have the Las Vegas Jackpot by Gresso, a world-famous accessory designer. For a cool $1 million you can own one of the most expensive phones in the world. Part of a limited edition series of only 3 units, each phone comes with its own unique number engraved on the back. The phone is made from an impressive 180 grams of gold and black diamonds, each at 45.5 carats. If you like your phone to have different textures, then the back panel is made from a precious wood of a 200-year-old African tree. Also, every key on the phone has been beautified with manually polished 32-carat gem sapphires. Number 7. Goldvish LE Million, $1 million. The next phone to break the $1 million mark is the LE Million by the renowned luxury brand, Goldvish. At the time of its release, LE Million won a place in the Guinness Book of Records for being the most exclusive and most expensive phone in the world. The phone was designed by Emmanuel Guet, a jewelry and watch designer. It is made with 18-karat white gold and has 120 carats of VVS1 grade diamonds studded into it, and its display case is made from sapphire glass. Getting your hands on one is going to be tricky, as Goldvish only manufactured 3 phones as part of a limited edition series. Number 6. Diamond Crypto Smartphone, $1.3 million. Most expensive phones, Diamond Crypto Smartphone. The Diamond Crypto Smartphone was once considered to be the most expensive phone in the world. The phone was designed by Aloison and manufactured by JSC Ancourt. The majority of the mobile phone is made up of solid platinum, whilst its logo and home button are made from rose gold. As well as that, the phone has 50 diamonds studded into it, including 10 rare blue-flowered diamonds. The small amount of wood that's featured on the sides of the phone is made from Macassar ebony. Apart from the super luxurious aesthetics of the phone, the software it uses has been developed to include a special encryption technology to keep the owner's sensitive information safe. Number 5. iPhone 3G Kings Button, $2.5 million. The fifth most expensive phone in the world is the iPhone 3G Kings Button, coming in at a whopping $2.5 million. The phone was designed by Austrian designer Peter Alisson, and is made up of 18-karat yellow, white and rose gold. The white gold strip, which runs around the entire edge of the phone, is decorated with 138 diamonds. Perhaps the most significant and extravagant feature of the iPhone is the 6.6-carat single-cut diamond that's been used to replace the iPhone's original home button. If pressing a 6.6-carat diamond to move your apps around isn't luxury, then I don't know what is. The phone is considered to be one of the most beautiful phones in the market, and very popular with phone fanatics. Number 4. Gold Striker iPhone 3GS Supreme, $3.2 million. Similar to the 3G Kings Button, the Gold Striker 3GS Supreme has many of the same features but includes more carats. The phone is another successful creation from Stuart Hughes and is made from 271 grams of 22-karat gold. The bezel of the iPhone contains 136 diamonds and the Apple logo on the rear of. The phone is studded with 53 diamonds. Number 3 Diamond Rose Edition, $8 million. Coming in at number 3 is yet another iPhone design collaboration from Stuart Hughes. This iPhone 4 Diamond Rose Edition is the third most expensive phone in the world. To keep it exclusive, only 2 phones have been manufactured to date, each one was completely customized for their owners. 2 Stuart Hughes iPhone 4S Elite Gold, $9.4 million. Continuing his dominance in the luxury phone market, and making yet another one of the world's most expensive phones. Stuart Hughes' next iPhone is worth a staggering $9.4 million. Being the second most expensive phone in the world comes with a lot of expectations. With that said, the Elite Gold iPhone 4 certainly doesn't disappoint. The handmade phone is coated with 100-carat diamonds and its rear panel and logo are made from 24-karat gold. Number 1. Falcon Supernova iPhone 6 Pink Diamond, $48.5 million. The world's most expensive phone is the Falcon Supernova iPhone 6 Pink Diamond Edition, costing an unbelievable $48.5 million. The Falcon Supernova is a customized iPhone 6, introduced in 2004, that's covered in 24-karat gold and decorated with one massive pink diamond on its rear. It's also coated in platinum and features hack prevention technology to keep the owner's information safe from unwanted prying eyes. The Pink Diamond Falcon Supernova is the prized possession of Asia's richest man's wife, and Indian cricket team owner, Nita Ambani. It's not the nicest looking phone on the list but it's still the most expensive phone in the world, so it gets it kudos for that.